This is an unboxing video of the LCD display that I ordered from China a few weeks ago. I will use it on my new Raspberry Pi 4 on one of my Raspberry Pi projects. So let me show you what's inside of this box, this LCD monitor. You see, this is the connector for the HDMI, and then here you go. You see, there's a stylus. It's packaged well inside ESD protection plastic bag. So let's open it. It's very important that these boards are in this plastic because statics can really damage the circuitry. Okay, it's nice. The PCB looks good, and you see it's a 4-inch HDMI display with the connector on the side, the header, and yeah, it seems nice. It's really exciting to use this on my project. Let me remove this protective plastic. Okay, it's clear. It's good.